Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be explaining the Verizon One Talk, including its features, pricing, and the main pros and cons, so that you can decide if it is the right business phone system in 2026. So, Verizon One Talk is a business phone system add-on for the companies using Verizon Business Wireless. It allows employees to use one business phone number across multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, computers, and the desk phones. For example, a call to your business number can ring on your mobile phone, your desk phone in the office, and the One Talk mobile app or desktop app. Now, One Talk includes 50 plus business calling features designed for the teams and the small businesses. Some of the most useful features are like auto receptionist, call forwarding and call transfer, hunt groups to route calls to available employees, voicemail and voicemail to email options, conference calling for team discussions, and business SMS messaging. If we talk about the pricing, so the pricing typically starts at $15 to $20 per month per line for the One Talk service itself. However, there are a few things to keep in mind, like you must already have Verizon Business Wireless plan. Some additional features like auto receptionist and the call queue may cost you extra. There may be activation fees around $35 per device. Now, the real question here is, should you actually go for it? So it can be a good option for the small businesses that are already using Verizon, but the total cost and the limited collaboration features are things to consider. So if this video helped you understand the Verizon One Talk better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.